All right, so we got our Git version control software installed already, right? I expect you guys to have that already. I expect you guys to have a Laravel installation ready. If you don't, get one now. All right, pause the video, launch a Laravel installation. You don't have to do no host modification on your computer to make it look nice in the URL. If you don't want to, that's up to you. But I'm gonna leave mine as it is. So I have a Laravel installation called Heroku app. All right. So I'm inside that folder right now. If you can see here, I'm pressing PWD, and that's gonna let me know that I'm here. All right. So right here, I'm gonna say git init. I'm gonna initialize an empty Git repository here in my project so that I can keep the version control on it. Right. So the next step for us to do is we need to add our project. Add everything. Then we need to commit, and we're gonna say message first Laravel, actually Laravel install. There we go. Everything is committed. Now we're ready to create a new file that we need for Heroku. All right. So this is how we're gonna do it. First of all, you need to make sure that you're logged into Heroku. All right. If you haven't downloaded the CLI, the command line interface, do it now. You should have already downloaded that. Okay, I'll probably explain that to you in a couple lectures before this one, right? With all the tools and everything that we needed, the Git version control, the CLI and everything. All right, so here is where you're gonna come and say Heroku. All right, login. Make sure that you're logged in. You enter your credentials. And you're gonna say coding faculty. Well, you're not gonna say that. That's my login, and then your password. And now you're logged in. Pretty cool, right? So now we're gonna create a Heroku app. Now make sure that in your Heroku administration, you don't have any apps that you're using, right? Of course, your administration should be empty because you just created an account with Heroku, hopefully. Now I'm gonna show you how to delete an application real quick here, just in case you have one. So you just click on the app, click on settings and delete app. Copy this and paste it in here. Super simple. Sometimes you have to put a space here and then come back. There we go. Now the app is deleted. So what we're gonna be doing right now is creating an app from this interface, from this command line actually. So Heroku, sometimes I forget to spell the name, it's kind of complicated in my head. And we're gonna say create, all right? Now this is going to create an app for us and it's gonna give us a name. As you can see here, I think it gave me Mysterious Brook. Oh geez, they're really good with names sometimes. Sometimes we're gonna refresh here and you can see the name here. We can edit that name if we wanted to, but I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. All right, so we're done with this. On the next lecture we're gonna build some of the configurations for Heroku so that way we can make it work online. All right, see you in the next lecture. Take care.